Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your October monthly reading, okay, for the year 2020. So let's see what is the month telling us about you. What is the guidance for you for the month of October 2020? Okay, so for my Aquarians, please. So for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let us see what is there for my Aquarians for the month of October, and what are the guidance messages for my Aquarians in the coming month. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here, but it will be a little different from my other videos because it will be a little in detail. Okay, so let's see for my Aquarians, please. Okay, so in the past energies, I'm seeing that there was something it was a little step towards something. It was something which you actually, when you tried to move on because of this new enthusiastic energy in you, this is something, a little step towards something. So it can be anything, your relationship, anything. And then what happened when you actually were there in this relationship, when you were, first of all, you were not so serious. Okay, you were the one, you were just like taking it casually, you were not so serious about it. But after some time, when you actually was serious in this particular thing, whether it was your relationship or anything. Okay, so the cards over here are the Fool and Six of Swords. We have the Empress and the Five of Swords, and Queen of Cups with the Four of Cups. Okay, so when you started, you were the one who became serious. You were growing with this relationship or with this particular thing. Then all of a sudden, what happened? Backstabbing happened. Somebody over here tried to betray, and I'm not seeing that it's your energy. You were casual, then you became serious in this thing. Then what happened after that? So after backstabbing, after you got the betrayal from the other person, then it was really hard for you to recover from that thing, because the Queen of Cups is here. So I'm seeing that it was really hard for you to actually accept that thing, and you still, I think that somewhere deep down still you are not able to accept that energy of being rejected. Okay, so somebody actually betrayed you over here. Let's see your past energies over here. Sorry, present energies now. Present energies for my Aquarians. Okay. Okay, so we have got the Page of Cups and the Knight of Wands, Ten of Wands and the Emperor, Nine of Pentacles with the Five of Wands. So I'm getting over here that one person over here is trying to, it's looking as if you are the one who is trying to communicate with this person now. You are the one who is like trying to, what happened, trying to ask the reason whatever happened. So it is like small messages or trying to communicate, I'm seeing. But the other person is seriously is the same, it's same as trying to show you his or her back and trying to move on very fast, being very casual, I'm seeing. Okay, so what has happened with you now? It's like you are behaving, you are feeling as you are behaving that kind of heaviness in you. You are feeling that what is happening to me? I was not the one who fell in this thing first. The other person fell. He or she actually let me fall in this particular thing, but now what happened to me? I'm not able to get up again. So I'm really feeling that you are the one who is just going down, down and down, and the other person is basically trying to dominate, basically trying to do what he or she wants to do. Okay, if this person does not want to talk to you, then this person will not talk to you. Okay, so that is what is happening in this particular thing. That is what I'm seeing over here. And I'm also seeing that somebody over here is really feeling, somebody wants to be independent. I think the other person, this is the other person who just wants to be independent, who wants to grow within himself or herself. It's more about being single, and that is why the conflicts happened. Okay, so whatever is it happening right now, or it will happen in the future, but the things has already been started. It's like conflicts will happen, and these small no talking zone, it will actually come, no contact. And because that person is not feeling the same. Okay, it was always a very casual relationship, but it was from your side which actually turned it from casual to serious. But from their side, it was always a casual relationship. Okay, so let's see the future energies. What's coming up for my Aquarians in the coming future? In the month of October, what is coming up for Aquarians? Okay, so I'm not seeing a lot of reconciliation happening in the coming month. I'm actually seeing that kind of behavior where the other person would try to hang up on you, where trying to be busy, trying to be no talking. I'm really getting that thing, that this person this person I'm seeing that is figuring out what happened, or basically he or she is not serious, to be very honest. Okay, the seriousness is not here. Okay, so the cards are Two of Pentacles with the Hanged Man, the High Priestess with the Three of Cups, the Lovers, and Four of Swords. So in the starting of October, it will be same. Okay, whatever the energies are, conflicts happening, no talking, whatever the thing is, trying to avoid the situation, that is what is happening. And it will be in the starting of the month. In the middle of the month, you are the one who is again trying to communicate, but it's like you are trying, but you already know the reason, you already know the answer, that person is with someone else, is happy with someone else, not trying to be happy with you, basically ignoring you. You know that thing. And in the middle of October, I'm seeing that yes, it is like you might get some intuition, or might get something, some kind of a proof. You might see the other person being with someone else. Something is that kind of thing happening. And at the end of the month, I'm seeing that it's like taking rest with love. Okay, so that is why I'm really getting with this Four of Swords and the Lovers, that it is not going to continue for ever. Okay, so things, if you really know that, okay, so start trusting your intuition, start actually seeing what your intuition wants to tell you. So when you will actually see the answers, because the universe is trying to give you some hints, so just see the hints, just look over them and try to analyze what is happening. Okay, so okay, let's see what is the advice from you from the universe. Let's see advice for my Aquarians for the coming month. Ace of Pentacles, the Chariot, and 10 of Pentacles. So it is, you know, I'm really getting that if this is a person with whom you are dealing with, so this is not the actual person of your life, okay? Because I'm seeing a very new, brand new relationship coming up over here with the Chariot. It's like, you know, it will be it will happen only then when you will be the one who will actually try to move on from the past person or the past situations in your life. You have to move on towards something which will actually stay, okay, which will actually be there for you forever. That is what I'm seeing for you, Aquarians, and that is the advice from the universe as well. It is very positive advice that to actually enter in this kind of a relationship, in a very stable thing which you actually want, you have to be, you know, you have to be patient. You have to just move on wherever you are. Try to move on, try to just leave the past behind, okay? So that is all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.